Guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are again going to solve this fucking problem. I literally solved this problem 3 times. One time there is a problem with camera, one time with the recording, one time with the microphone and speaker, and the last time I recorded the video and everything was good, but I can't hear the sound. And then my brother came and I just deleted the video because I thought there was no sound. And he came and he was like, your the sound is connected to the headphones, so disconnected. And before it I deleted the video, man. Never mind. So okay, we'll solve this problem again. This is basically flood fill. The name of this problem is flood fill, and this is a graph problem. And as you can see this problem, just pause the video and read the problem statement. I'll quickly explain what the problem is. Basically, you are given an image, and an image there are pixels, and it's true. Like there is an image, and in image there are pixels, and the pixels has some numbers, some values. So what we have to do here is we have to pick a pixel which is given S or SC, and when we pick that pixel, we have to change it to a new color which is given this. We have to change its value, and we have to change uh, its adjacent और neighboring pixels. Basically जो भी pixel हमें दे रखा है, जिसकी value दे रखी है, S और SC लोकेशन दे रखी है, हमें उसके जो adjacent जो उसके आसपास आ रहे हैं ना, वो सारे change करने हैं. Okay, so basically अब और आसपास कौन से, ऊपर नीचे left right, up down left right, horizontal and vertical. So I think you got it. So this problem we can easily interpret it that we have to use DFS. There's no point using BFS here. And इस one के आसपास, like up there is 1, so we'll change it to 2. Of course this one will be changed to 2, and this will be 2, then इसके right में 2, then the left में 2, इसके down में 2, then 2. This won't be changed. And why? Because इधर 0 है, तो ये change होगा नहीं. And मतलब ये तो पूरा ही अलग है, and this 0 is also वो अलग नंबर, ये सेम नहीं है. And this one is in slanting, और slant के लिए मतलब which is diagonal, we don't have to do anything with that. Okay, so I think it is very clear. Now we'll just write the code. I'll just write the code now, and you'll get more clarity. Rows calls length of image. We'll do length of now comma length of image for column is this. Now what we'll do is we'll make this original image, which is equals to image sr and sc, because this is given to us. This is the location, and if original is already equals to color, I mean there is no need to change anything, then just return the image and go home, sit down, the problem is solved. Sorry. Okay, so I hope I'm clear till here. Now what we'll do is basically now we have to apply DFS. It's a simple DFS problem. Define DFS. We will take 2 parameters because 2 arguments R and C. We'll apply the condition of applying the DFS, basically the boundary conditions, which is 0 less than equals to R. It should be between rows, and 0 should be less than equals to C. This is C, and this should be less than column. And now image R and C should be equals to original, which was given, yeah, which we made. And where the fuck is my if? Yeah, so cool. What we'll do now, we'll change our image R and C to what? To the given color, right? The value of the given color from 1 to 2. Okay, now we'll just call apply DFS in all the 4 directions, right? DFS R plus 1. Can I do something like this here? No. Okay, R plus 1 comma C, then we gotta do r minus 1 comma c, then dfs again, then r comma c plus 1, then dfs r comma c minus 1. So this is what I did is basically applied dfs in all the four directions: horizontal, vertical, left, right, up, down. Yeah. So now we'll call the dfs function, and we'll call it from where the given source which is given to us is sr and sc, and return the image. So we applied the flood fill to our image, and let's see if this works. I hope it works. Yeah, it worked. It had to. So okay guys, so I think this would be clear to you guys, and if still there is a problem, or if there is a you have any doubt, feel free to type that in the comments and I'll respond to it. And thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good day.